for us today. So, got breakfast, cinnamon bun. I get 2 snacks. One snack's gonna be white cheddar popcorn, honey mustard pretzel bits, and chicken noodle soup. Not really looking forward to the chicken noodle soup. Maybe it'll be okay, maybe it won't. And I'm gonna drink some Perrier. This one 16, almost 17 ounces. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, get our breakfast in. So, as expected, it's pretty tiny. Maybe even smaller than the picture. That looks good. Icing's already rubbing off. Is way harder than expected. Very firm. It's not bad, but certainly not great. Well, I'd rather have the blueberry muffin, but it's perfectly edible. Alright, we'll be back for snack time. I almost forgot my power fuel. This is why I need this app. The app keeps me on track. If I'm just doing this by memory, I would think I had it, and then later on realize I missed it. So first thing I'm gonna do is scan our entree in here with this NUMI app. Scan food. Log it. And for my power fuel, I'm gonna have a hard-boiled egg. I got a challenge completed. Free shipping, but I don't know why I buy all that stuff out of the cart. And you can search for egg. Go to all, it should have egg whole cooked hard boiled. And log it. There we go. Alright, so it's time for my snack. One thing to note, I set my reminders up. It doesn't seem to be working. So I set my reminders to come on, but I don't get the pop-up. Mine's on a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Or an Oreo. My wife has it on an iPhone and she is getting reminders. Anyhow. I'm gonna try these honey mustard pretzel bits. scans in, works. Very tiny. Tastes really good. Tastes like a regular pretzel. Good honey mustard flavor. Alright. See you at lunchtime. As I eat a couple more of these, I turn it back on because these are fantastic. Oh, big thumbs up. Alright, it's time for my lunch. Nutrisystem chicken noodle soup. First, we'll see what scans and the old NUMI app. Let's see nutrition facts. I had some carrots behind on my water. Nutrisystem entree, scan food. Scans right in. I need a power fuel. Probably go with my sandwich string cheese. Alright, directions are: remove plastic lid, peel off, discard inner metal seal, replace the plastic lid, and heat for 45 to 60 seconds. Well, that looks delicious. Not really. But that's not cooked yet. My wife has already cooked one, so we're just going to swap them out. Here's the finished product. Spoon. Stir this. Well, that's weird looking. Not very pretty. We'll see what it tastes like. Could be a little warmer. Yeah. Alright, that's my least favorite thing so far. Alright, I put it back in the microwave for a little bit longer, and it's less congealed. Still not super great, but I don't like chicken noodle soup in the first place, so wasn't a lot of chance for this guy to win. But it's not as gross as it was looking. My wife put hers in a bowl and re-microwaved it. And she likes it. She likes chicken noodle soup. She thinks it's good, and she would order it again. Personally, I would not order again, but I don't like soup. She does like soup and does like this. So, there you go. And now I'm drinking a B8. Alright, so for my evening snack, I had just another shake. I like those a lot. Dinner, I didn't do super great. I had sweet potato, which is fine. My little cheese thing for a power fuel, little string cheese guy, and we had burgers with they were just lettuce wraps instead of buns, but it came up with other. I manually made that power fuel, so maybe it's not right. This is probably why I'm gonna switch to the full plan that includes my dinner, so I don't need to think about what food's what. For my snack, I had the popcorn again. I'm still not super crazy about that. It's fine. It's certainly edible. It's just an okay at best popcorn. Vegetables, I had a handful of carrots. I had a V8. And then I put pico de gallo, not by Pace, it's from Kroger, but that's one that popped up, on top of my burger, and I wrapped it in lettuce. And I had 2 burgers. Water, I did find 3 Perrier's and Smart Water. So, I still got 12 calories to go, which I'm not going to eat, of course, but going pretty good so far. Tomorrow's going to be granola cereal for breakfast and loaded potato for lunch, and my snack is chocolate cake. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright, but all in all, it's a good day. My wife and I started looking at the full-on plan, so we may switch to a full plan from Nutrisystem as opposed to this kit from Amazon. But so far, big fan, big thumbs up. And she really liked the soup. I didn't like it, but I don't like chicken noodle soup. So, anyhow, alright, check back in tomorrow.